Oh man, happens every time. I gotta fix this. Hey, I have a 3D printer and know how to use SolidWorks. Let's design it. Okay, first things first, I gotta straighten out this mess. Man, what a mess. As I'm unwinding all this, I'm thinking, I need to design in a way to wind all this back up. Like a way to attach it to a drill or something. Alright, let's jump into SolidWorks. Those came out pretty good. Let's try it on the spool. Oh yeah, perfect fit. That's pretty satisfying. Alright, let's wind it up. I don't know how many times I'll use this feature, but I'm appreciating it right now. There we go. I guess the true test will be, what state is it in when I dig it out of my tool bag the next time. I have a full SolidWorks tutorial on my channel on how I designed this part, and a bunch of other projects too, so head on over there and check them out. There's also a link in the description for the STL file for this part if you want to print your own.